everybody, and welcome to today's vlog. Today we are at Charleston Landing State Park, and we're gonna get lunch after this too. But we just snagged our annual pass for a state park so we can do all the state parks and bring Bean, because dogs are allowed here. We brought him before, but today we're doing a couple of things that he can't come to, so we're gonna just do some Cassie and Joe. Right? Yep. Pretty cool. Do you just push it? Yep, you just push it. We're gonna go see some birdies. Joe, look, we're in Discovery Cove. Look at them all. Oh, look at the herons in the water. Got some pelicans. What's the pelican's name from Nemo? Do you remember? No. The brown pelican. And we got some standard seagulls here. Joe. He's like throwing grass. Do you see him? Watch him. He's gonna have to like chuck another chunk. Yeah, he's just like throwing it. I like the herons. Which ones are your favorite?
Seagulls.
You like the seagulls?
Yeah.
Joe. Wolfies. He's coming to say hello to you. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi, Mr. Bear. Oh, he's in his little rock hut thing. I can see his little fluffiness. Fuzzy fluffies. Or Miss Eagle. Go, go, go! Hi. Oh, so pretty. That's cool. Right? Hi. Look at them, they're napping. Oh, they're so cute. This guy's like dreaming, I think. Joe wants to own a bison farm, right? Joe thinks we're gonna own a bison farm. A coconut pineapple farm. We're gonna make coconut noodles and have bisons. He's like totally dreaming. That's so cute. This one's like eating while it's sleeping. Do you see that? So I don't think I could like eat them though if like we had them as pets. Where'd the raccoon go? Do you see him?
Yeah, over there where he was before.
Oh, I thought he was over here.
No.
Oh. Hi, Mr. Bison. What else is down here? There's more? We're trying to impress the ladies who are unimpressed. They're hilarious.
Over there, see?
See, we found Emmett Otterton.
That is the otter, you're right. Cute. What a cute otter. Yeah, the river otter likes to swim, you're right. They're also very playful, they like to play. Yeah.
I think Bean might have been an otter this past life, so he also likes the water.
Yes, I see. Oh, he stuck his head out. Stuck his.
So pretty. Top of the gators. Look at all these trees. Like, it's just so beautiful. So beautiful.
Yeah, it's still like
Look at these red ones. Oh my gosh. Alligators chilling in this. I want to get a picture of these flowers, but I want to get a picture of the gator too. Here you go, Joe. There's a gator behind me. Look at him just sunning. Wow. There's the bench you're supposed to be relaxing on, and there's a gator in front of it. Oh my god. Caution gators. Yeah, no kidding. Look at the pretty flowers. They're so pretty. Just like me. I made Joe laugh. If they were handsome flowers, they'd be handsome like you. Joe found a turtle in the water and a gigantic fishy. But the turtle's the coolest, right? Those are some huge fishies. Having a nice walk. Feels good. We just finished up our stroll around Charlestown Landing. We did just a little bit of walking. Hey, Joe? Mm-hmm. Where are we going next?
Food.
Food. We are going to a place called Miss Rose's Diner. We've never been there before. Or Miss Rose's? Is it just Miss Rose's?
I know.
Miss Rose's. We've never been there before. Joe's parents kindly gifted us a gift card during the holidays, so we're going to use it today. I'm excited to try the food. Are you excited? Hungry! We made it to Miss Rose's. Joe's like running, he's starving. Look at how cute this little booth is. Joe, I love this. We need like a breakfast nook like this. Got a full menu going on here. I think there's even stuff on the back. Wow, this is like, this is a lot. Joe's got the brunch menu. We got the pretzels and cheese and a loaded brisket fries. Look at this. This is like not healthy at all. Swordfish, right? Swordfish. Look at those grits. That looks so good. And tomato. Yummy. I got the butternut squash cheese ravioli and it looks so amazing. And we have like literally housed the fries and nothing left of the pretzels. So good. So we just got finished with our lunch at Miss Rose's. I didn't think about it like dinner. No, it's lunch. It was so good. That ravioli, oh my god, so good. And we loved the apps. The apps were delicious, I think. Alright, Joe, what'd you think?
It was good.
Just it was good.
Yep.
It's delicious. Delicioso! Alright. So thanks, Mom and Dad, for our gift card. Alright, that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content, and that's it. Bye!